Hey guys, Carlo here. Welcome to the vlog. In today's episode, we will be talking about Jordan sneakers that I am interested in buying for the next 2 months. So in the summer, what are the best Jordan summer sneakers that will be released? Now, before we get into the shoes, please do take note that I am sharing these shoes and I'm not telling you in any way that you should buy all of them. It's just me sharing what are the sneakers that I find interesting and the ones that appeal to me. I actually have no plans of paying resale for any of these shoes. I'll just join the raffles. If I win, then good, I'll buy it for retail. If I don't win, then it's all good. There's always a better shoe just around the corner. There is no point, walang point po, mas stress pag natalo sa raffle sa sapatos kasi napakadami ng problema natin ngayon sa buhay, di ba? We have COVID, the pandemic, we have China banging on our side, trying to get our islands. We have so many issues all around us, and the last thing we need to think about is not winning a raffle for shoes. So this is just really, trying my luck. If I win, then good. If I don't, then it's all good. There's always something better and there's always something more important to think about anyway. But hey, tara, let's go. Actually, kung isipin nyo guys, kaya ako siguro ginagawa tong vlog na to para lang maalis sa utak ko yung stress ng buhay. Kung kayo yon, comment down below. Are you the type who looks towards your passions, be it sneakers, or toys, or other forms of collectibles para lang malibang kayo? Kasi para nababaliw na lahat ng, ay, nako, OMG! Huh! Tara! So Jordan brand announced a bunch of sneakers that are scheduled for the summer. Now, I won't go through every single shoe. I'll just share with you my top 4, or at least 4 of my favorite ones from their list. The first one is the Jordan 1 Rust Shadow, which is like an inverted version of the Jordan 1 OG Shadows. And from the pictures, it looks like it uses suede for the material, which is a very summery, warm weather kind of material. Sakto actually para sa Pilipinas, pero hindi sakto kasi hindi naman tayo makalabas ng bahay, di ba? So, suot lang natin siya sa loob para cool, or sabihin natin pag mag-grocery or sa 7-Eleven. Sana talaga ma-vaccine na lahat ng tao para ma-enjoy natin shoes natin, no? At sana, para lang alam mo yun, para lang hindi na sobrang daming tao nahihirapan sa buhay. Grabe yung feeds lately on Facebook. Parang initially it was all cries for help. And then it was frustration. And now I see so many people na, alam mo yun, who are sharing devastating news of loss. Mga RIP, rest in peace, namatayan ng kapatid, namatayan ng kaibigan, ng tito, ng ate, ng lolo, ng nanay, ng tatay. Grabe na talaga. So siguro I'll just take this opportunity that if you are, alam mo yun, thinking, alam mo yun, don't just be safe, guys. Be safe. Don't think of going out unless it is absolutely essential. And if you are going to go out, practice, physical distancing and all that stuff. But yeah, talagang obviously nahirapan ako mag-vlog about shoes, no? Kasi balik ng balik sa stress ko. But anyway, again, guys, Jordan 1 Rust Shadow. So this one is not like a must-buy for me kasi I prefer the leather shadows. And if I were going to pay like a hefty price, I'd rather go for the shadows than this Rust Shadow. The next sneaker is the Jordan 4 Tech Gray. Now, to be honest, this one isn't really a must-buy for me. In fact, I'm still thinking about even for retail, should I buy it? But it's a nice shoe. It's a versatile shoe. It's white with hits of gray and red. It has a nice story to it. The Jordan 4, of course, is comfortable, especially compared to the Jordan 1. More flat feet, wide feet friendly sneaker. But yeah, I'm still on the fence on this one. So not yet sure, but it's definitely on my to consider list. Kayo, what do you guys think of the Jordan 4 Tech Gray? Let me know in the comment section. Now at this point, guys, I have to take a quick break. Dadaling ko kayo actually kasi one of the things that my wife and I do to distress is we take a drive around within our area. We don't go out of the car. It's really just getting some sun kasi diba vitamin D is important, and at the same time it's good check for our mental health. So dadaling ko kayo, tutuloy ko yung vlog doon, kuwento ko yung the other 2 sneakers in the car. So tara! By the way, pakita ko lang sa inyo yung one of the most criminally underrated, super comfortable sneakers. This is the Adidas collaboration with Commonwealth. I think it's called the Response CL. Sobrang sarap sa paa. So if you're looking for super comfortable dad shoes, chunky shoes, check this sneaker out. Bye, Vegeta! Sweet, going ka naman. Guys, make sure to give my wife a subscribe on YouTube. You have a new episode coming soon, right?
Yes, ito naman, if we just finished mental health, Now we'll do fitness.
Wow, fitness, o, diba?
Fitness from work at fitness kahit work from home. O,
Yeah.
diba?
So make sure to watch out for that, dropping Tuesday. Tuesday ba? Tuesday or Wednesday, so make sure to watch out for it on our YouTube channel. I'll link down below. O nga pala, ang ating watch of the day, this is the G-Shock John Mayer Houdinki collaboration. Super, super nice watch, guys. Inspired by Casio, I think like a Casio keyboard na ginagamit ni John Mayer when he was younger. So I did a review of this on my watch vlogs. I have a dedicated YouTube channel for watches. I will link down below to my review of this in the comment section, just in case gusto niyong panoodin. So napadaan lang tayo dito. Shoutout lang sa guys from Aftermarket and Sneakify, tsaka kay Paulo Tomene. So they have a shop here in Green Hills. Yun nga lang, sarado ang Green Hills. Pero eventually, pagbukas ang Green Hills, guys, we will definitely drop by there and do a vlog and say hello to everybody. So again, shoutout Aftermarket Philippines and Sneakify. So tuloy lang natin. So the next sneaker on the list is called, let me just make sure I get the name right. It's called the Jordan 1 Hyper Royal. So this one is actually the one that I am interested in getting in the list kasi it just looks super nice, and I've always wanted you know, like a light blue Jordan 1 na hindi yung UNC. And again, like you guys know, I love suede. So this one I'm leaning heavily towards. This one is set to drop, if I'm not mistaken, April 17. So it's one of the earliest Jordan 1 drops for the summer collection. By the way, yung Rust Shadow is scheduled supposedly for May 15. Pagkatapos yung Tech Gray is May 29. So that one, what do you guys think of the Jordan 1 Hyper Royal? Let me know in the comment section down below. And the last shoe that I want to share with you is the Jordan 11 Legend Blue, which is tied para sa akin with the Hyper Royal for the Jordan ones that I want to buy. This one just looks really nice. It's super clean, nice white upper, blue, you know, midsole, icy blue. Sobrang linis lang talaga tingnan. And it's just a nice looking light summer Jordan 11. And it sobrang captured the season perfectly. And sobrang good vibes lang siya pag tingnan mo. It's such a nice looking happy shoe. So anyway, so that one's supposed to drop this April as well. Not sure how that will work for the Philippines. But yeah, those are the 4 Jordans that in my list are like kinda like if I can buy them for retail or close to retail, then why not? So how about you guys? Ano yung mga sa pinakita kong Jordans in today's episode ang pinaka nagustuhan ninyo? Let me know in the comment section down below. I'd love to hear from all of you kung alin yung mga nagustuhan nyo, and again, I'll try my best to answer comments and reply as much as I can. Also, sa mga ladies watching today, Jordan brand is also coming out with a lot of sneakers for the ladies. The one that I saw that caught my attention was like the Jordan 3 in like a nice pink color. And there were 2 Jordan 1s, the metallic violet yata or metallic purple na Jordan 1 for women. And another one that had more pops of different colors. I just can't remember the name. There's also a Jordan 11 Citrus for women that's coming out. So ang dami talaga Jordans coming this summer. Pero yun nga, naka-lockdown tayo. So anyway, sa mga nagtatanong kung na-draw na yung raffle winner ng Yeezy 380 and the Realme Smart TV, yes, na-draw na siya. I'll link down below to the video ko sa namin in-announce. Panoodin nyo so kung makita nyo kung nanalo kayo. Okay? So teka lang, tuloy lang kami ni Mrs. sa errands namin, then I'll be back with you guys in a while.
O naman, di ba baka akong courtside reporter?
Teka lang.
Okay, mag-hi kayo sa vlog ko.
Hello! Sa vlog ni Carlo.
Oh, nag-shoot si Mrs. ng episode
Teka
ng
lang.
Ka-Asenso with Jacob. O, diba?
Oo nga.
Okay, so we're back here in the studio. It's 11 p.m. na, guys. 11 p.m. So I'm actually here because nandito nga yung home gym namin. So I'll just spend like 15-20 minutes on the treadmill to close the day out. And then tomorrow ulit, balik sa grind, balik sa trabaho. The Holy Week is over. I'm shooting this on a Sunday. So, back to the salt mines. Ika nga nila. But yeah, we should be thankful na alam mo yun, na we still have work. Kasi diba, ang daming tao ngayon, yun ang problema eh. So, if you are, you know, those people who still have a job, be thankful, be grateful kasi not everybody has that right now. So, yun, I just want to wish all of you a good week up ahead. And as usual, this is Carlo signing out. Peace, God bless, what's up, boom.